Hello, today we're gonna look at how we could clean a bit those sneakers. We will use a toothbrush, a brush, well, not too hard, but bigger than the toothbrush, and a couple hand brush with this, harder grain, lighter grain, a micro fleece, and, well, a scrubby daddy. All right, let's go. So this pair of Jordans has been one of my favorite pair of shoes since, I don't know, ever. These are the Jordan Executive. I believe they came out in 2018. I really like that copper-like logo, so it's really metallic. And I've worn these, like you can see, they're super worn. And I love them. I can't not stop wearing them. I haven't found any pair, any even Jordans, other Jordans or other Nike shoes. I've never found any other shoes fitting me like this. So I really love them, and I'm trying today just to give them a bit of love. As you can see, man, this is really dirty. All right, and here, I mean, they're worn down. There's barely any sole left here. First, we're gonna obviously remove the laces so that we can clean them properly. We're gonna move to the sink. First, well, man, look at that sink. I really gotta clean that. I'm probably gonna make another video just to, well, see what we can do about it. But for now, the Nikes. All right. So I started this video thinking I would clean, like properly clean every bit of the sole. But actually I figured that given how old they are, there's no point in doing that. I'm gonna walk with them anyway, so they're gonna get dirty. So let's just do what's visible. I'm gonna use my kid's old toothbrush. I think, yeah, those are Minis Mickeys. Always great value. And here I'm bringing some pink stuff. If you don't know what pink stuff is, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. And this stuff is great, man. It's pink, but it's also great. And it's mild abrasive. It's not gonna damage any bit of the sole. It cleans up super easy. We can see that we're removing a lot of the grime, dirt that has been accumulated on the sole. We'll get another shot just to get a better sense of how much, but I mean, in just a matter of 30 seconds there, we can already see a big difference. So I'm pretty confident that we can clean those pretty well. All right, so let's do the rest and we'll compare it to the other one. So now I'm gonna try to use a stronger brush. So my kids' teeth are pretty sensitive, right? So you gotta have a smooth, soft brush for the teeth. So, but we need some extra scrubbing power there. So let's try with a harder brush. Works well, but what I found with this brush compared to the toothbrush is that there was a lot of projection, like everywhere. There was some, I mean, you can see some of it, but I was covered in it. So I would actually not necessarily recommend going full blown with the hand brush there. All right, guys, so let's look at this. Just, I mean, it took me a couple minutes, actually 3 minutes, on this right one that we cleaned. And I mean, it's not great. It's not day and night. I mean, this is the one. This is what we started with, and still, in a matter of few minutes, we can already see a difference. So already I think that we can already tell that these are going to be looking decent for a few months more. I really love the patina that the suit gets. Look at this. If any of you is a motorcycle rider, I'm sure that you will know what this is from. All right. Really gotta, remove the grime, the dirt. And with the brush, you really wanna just get that suit back, like remove all the dirt that's stuck in it. All right. And there we go. I mean, look at this. It's again, it's not looking new by any means, but that's not the purpose. And let's put the laces back on. All right, one down. Now we will repeat the exact same steps. All right, second shoes is done. As you can see, the sole is way cleaner than it was. Right, that black is looking pretty good. Let's put down the laces. All right, side by side, so you want to go obviously symmetrical. And there I realized that obviously I forgot to put it in the tab hook or whatever these are called. So going back, and there we have it, folks. That's what we started with, and this is what we have now. Again, the sole I figured I wouldn't clean, too old, but I mean these look nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the description below if you have any tips that I should try to clean my shoes next.